Hello viewers, welcome to AMW Universal Updates. I'm here with the viral news of Miley Cyrus. The music superstar revealed that her plane made an emergency landing after getting struck by lightning on Tuesday. Miley and her crew were on their way to a music festival in Paraguay when the inclement weather forced a sudden change in plans. In an Instagram update, the singer shared scary video of multiple lightning flashes during the flight but assured fans that everyone aboard was okay. Miley Cyrus is safe and sound after a scary traveling incident. So, this is the update. Keep connected with AMW Universal Updates and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates.